fuck? Boy, that shit scared the fuck out of me. Hey, man, that thing sounded too loud. Ooh, boy, my heart beating fast. That thing said, rah! I thought I was a gun. I got hit by lightning, dog. All right, where's my
Dude, where's my car? Where's your car, dude? Dude, where's my car?
On my last call for the day. Client says the AC is not working. He wanted to check it out before he leaves out of town. So we finna see what's going on.
Hey,
How you doing, sir?
you're Willie?
Yeah.
Hi.